What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Today I have this Oukitel WP19, a rugged smartphone. I have actually reviewed this smartphone a few months ago, and yeah, I have a lot of different smartphones, a lot of rugged smartphones. I have reviewed a lot of different rugged smartphones, and time to time I actually use these rugged smartphones. But this one here, this Oukitel WP19 has actually saved me from a disaster. A few days ago, me and my girlfriend, we went outside for traveling. We actually had a plan to drive through 3 different cities and we wanted to roam around every city. We wanted to take a lot of pictures. We had a lot of smartphones and iPad with us. We wanted to take some pictures and record some videos for some camera comparison videos. And yeah, you know what? My girlfriend has forgotten to bring a power bank. Because the plan was not to be in the car, we would drive from one city to another and then roam around the city. But after we have started the journey, I have noticed that she has forgotten to bring a power bank. And she has also forgotten to bring a torch or flashlight. So I was so very unhappy. But luckily, we had this Oukitel WP19. This one comes with 21,000 mAh battery and this has actually saved us from a disaster. Well, before I go through this video, let me show you a video clip, like how we have decided to do this review video. Let's check that video. I actually didn't want to record this video. Yeah, my girlfriend is actually recording this video. Me and my girlfriend, we have been traveling. We have already driven 670 kilometers. Last 3 days, we have traveled to 3 different cities. We have been actually trying to take a lot of photos with different smartphones. We have been trying to record videos with different smartphones. So yeah, we took 6 different smartphones with us. And you know what? I have noticed that this Oukitel WP19 is the smartphone that's the best. This is one of the best rugged smartphone which offers the longest battery life. I feel like I'm in love with this smartphone. The first day I was a bit unhappy because I have asked my girlfriend to bring a charger with her, but she didn't, she forgot. And when we have started traveling, yeah, definitely we took a lot of photos using our smartphones and I needed to recharge my smartwatch. So I was a bit unhappy that, okay, what should we do? Then we have found that we have Oukitel WP19 with us, which actually can be used as a power bank. This one has helped us to recharge our smartphones, recharge our smartwatches, and we have also used the flashlight of this Oukitel WP19. Yeah, this one comes with a very nice flashlight. I need to mention, this one comes with 21,000 mAh battery, but after 3 days, this one still have 60% of battery. So yeah, it's super crazy. I'm super happy with the performance of this Oukitel WP19. It's not like I'm happy, I'm surprised. I'm truly surprised. I did not expect something like this. So I think I'm gonna make a video about this. So I'm recording this. Yeah, my girlfriend don't wanna show up in this video. I don't know why. Anyway, this Oukitel WP19 and 21,000 mAh battery inside this is super cool. Okay, especially this Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV. This one is my girlfriend's the most favorite camera smartphone, and the battery of this Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV gets drained so quickly, so fast. Also, as my girlfriend has forgotten to bring a torch or flashlight, we had to use the flashlight of Oukitel WP19, and we have actually used this Oukitel WP19 to recharge our iPad, to recharge all the smartphones. It was really a very nice experience. I really didn't even expect this much from this Oukitel WP19. Let me show you something. Here is our Oukitel WP19 and I'm gonna show you how this one has actually saved us. Look at this. This phone has already started to get charged. This is how Oukitel WP19 has saved us, because after we have enjoyed the first city, we have taken a lot of beautiful pictures, nice pictures, we have recorded a lot of selfie videos and we wanted to upload those. So once I have opened my iPad Pro M1, I have noticed there is no battery. And you can imagine all the smartphones were like drained to zero. So this Oukitel WP19 with a 21,000 mAh battery has actually saved us by helping us to recharge all the smartphones and the iPad. It has started to get charged. And you know what? It's not like Oukitel WP19 takes a long time to get fully recharged, because a lot of people may think like, well, this rugged smartphone comes with a 21,000 mAh battery and maybe this one takes a long time to get fully recharged. But no, this Oukitel WP19 actually supports 33 watt fast charging, rapid charging. So this one gets fully charged within less than 3 hours. Because after we have used this one for 2 days, I thought that okay, it's time to recharge this Oukitel WP19, and then I have noticed this Oukitel WP19 still has 60% of battery. Superb. Amazing. And another thing is this one comes with a nice tool bag or toolbox. We have been using these tools because we have also went to do some mountain hiking. There is a nice compass and a noise detector. This noise detector thing is actually very much useful because there was a night when we have slept in the woods. Then we have used this tool bag, like we have used this noise detector, the torch, and yeah, we have also used the compass. This compass is really a very nice tool. The compass is actually pretty accurate and a very nice addition. Well, I don't want to talk a lot, but yeah, there are a lot of tools like alarm. And if you really want to scare some bad people away, then you can use this. Yeah, they have also added engine rev sound and SOS. Actually, these sounds can go really very loud, so yeah, these are very useful. Especially this battery thing. I don't know what type of 21,000 mAh battery is this. If we do some easy mathematics, this one can actually offer, or this one can actually recharge another smartphone which comes with a 4,000 mAh battery 5 times, but it has offered more than that. So I'm super surprised and super satisfied. So if you're looking for a rugged smartphone which actually works perfectly fine, which has all the features of a rugged smartphone, I mean great design, superb premium build quality, all the necessary features, night vision camera. Oh yeah, we have also used the night vision camera when we were in the woods, and my girlfriend has loved it. Let me show you the night vision. Can you see me? No? Look at this. Here I am. The scary Han is here. Yeah, I am here, the scary Han. So this is how night vision camera works. This one actually works perfectly fine, perfectly okay, and is a very useful tool. Well, that's all about this Oukitel WP19. I'm just trying to share my own experience with this one, and I want to make sure that everyone knows about the battery capacity of this Oukitel WP19 and the capabilities, the battery life. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you want to watch more honest review videos, then please subscribe to this channel and support honest content. If you are looking for a rugged smartphone with very long battery life, then I think this Oukitel WP19 is the one. It's very difficult to drain the batteries out of it. I think if I start doing a battery drain test of this Oukitel WP19, then that will take weeks.